Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. As y'all can see, I got a great assortment of flat discs. They range from 40 grit up to 120 grit. They are zirconia disc with a 7/8 arbor, 4.5 inch in diameter. Now in this video, I wanted to go over a T27 and a T29, how to distinguish one from the other, and some of the pros and cons between one disc and the other. A T27 can be distinguished by the flat surface across. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's flat all across. And they usually have T27 or T29 on there. So once again, T27 is flat. This has a T29 on there. As you can see, there's a contour there on the edge, or a bevel, and it goes all the way across. So that's how you distinguish one from the other, whether it has it labeled on there or if it's flat or has a contour. Now, a T27 runs flat on the surface, which means it's great for sanding, for blending or smoothing material, or flat material. A T29, well, it's just a more aggressive wheel. And one of the reasons it's more aggressive is it runs at a steeper angle. It runs between 15 and 25 degrees, which means all the downward pressure is applied on one small section, which means it can dig into your material or take off too much material. The T27 runs flat, so there's more surface area, less pressure downward, and it'll leave a much smoother surface, and it'll remove less material compared to the T29. So basically, that's the only difference. T27, a lot smoother. T29 removes a lot of material, and it could go below the surface area, which could be a bad thing, or it could remove too much material on a section of material you're working on, and you don't want that to happen. T29, it can run on more than just a flat surface. It runs at a steeper angle, and it feels a lot better, on your grinder. T27 has a flat surface, so you have to, run your grinder like this. With a T29 wheel, you can have a greater angle, and it just feels better. T29, you could also have your guard on your grinder, face the guard to the backside. You can still achieve that 15 to 25 degree angle there and get the job done. So whatever's a pro for one of the discs is a con for the other, and vice versa. Leaves a smoother surface, might not be as smooth. Removes a lot of material, removes less material. Runs on flat surface, and this one runs on anything besides a flat surface. And they're all 80 grit, and each one has its own application. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, just to distinguish one from the other and some of the pros and cons. Other than that, I just want to say stick around. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I have something important that might happen in the next few weeks, and it'll be a great opportunity for all of you guys. Won't say much about it, but if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you want to comment below something, let me know, and share my video, and see you on the next video. Have fun and be safe. Bye bye.